At HOWTOOL Hardware, building lasting partnerships with our customers is a devotion that spans generations. As a family-owned and operated company, relationships are at the heart of who we are. Our focus is to partner with clients all around the world to create mutually beneficial and close relationships that are properly set up to flourish well into the future. Whether it's guiding new customers through our various creative and manufacturing processes, or partnering with familiar collaborators, clear, consistent, honest, and connected communication is the hallmark of our service. In our experience, ideal partner relationships are built on trust and transparency. Everything that we do is in service of that concept. For 30-plus years, HOWTOOL has accumulated first-hand experience and partner network required to transform concepts into shippable realities. We view ourselves as active participants in the development of our clients' prospects. The products that come from our facilities are scrutinized to ensure that they meet the quality standards of all our customers. We have the infrastructure and know-how to provide premier products. Our customers expect a high level of quality, and we pursue it passionately. Extensive experience in shipping and controlling orders to all major online and physical retail platforms means that we are prepared for the intricacies of any order type. We are excited for the future and look forward to expanding our partner family.